Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and cancel subscription on your Netflix? Well, this is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. Netflix requires cancellation through a web browser on your mobile device or PC, as the app and smart TV versions do not have this functionality directly. So simply go ahead and open a web browser like Chrome, Safari, or Edge and navigate to the Netflix homepage. Then sign into your account if you haven't already. Then go to the account page. Just hover over your profile icon in the top right corner and select account from the drop down menu. Then once you've done that, simply head into membership and billing section and you'll see a button labeled cancel membership. Simply go ahead and click or tap on cancel membership. Confirm the cancellation on the next page. You may be offered different plan options or ability to pause your account before finalizing the decision. I hope this video clarified a lot. Also, I want to clarify that you cannot cancel your subscription directly through the Netflix app or on a smart TV. You must use a web browser on your PC or mobile device using the steps I mentioned. I hope this video clarified a lot for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.